guys, welcome to Katalouge and Heels. Today's video is about coffee and egg. All right, do you see my coffee? And that's my egg. I'm gonna break this egg in front of you guys, okay? We are going to break the egg, okay? We'll break the egg. See, it's already broken. All right, that's the egg. Now we toss it out, okay? And we use a brush to mix it up, okay? Mix it up. Remember, my face has already been cleaned today, all right? But I'm going to demonstrate how I use this coffee and egg to moisturize my face. The coffee and egg, look, so you can see it well. See that? See that? That's the egg and the coffee. I'm mixing it. This stuff moisturizes your face. I am not kidding. I am not gatekeeping right here. It does wonders to your face. Just make sure that you turn it, mix it really good, okay? Mix it really good, all right? And even though I've washed my face, all right? I've already washed my face today, but once you clean out your face, you use it, okay? You put it on your face. See that? See that coffee? See that coffee and egg? See that coffee and egg? You put it on your face. You put it on your face, all right? You put it on your face, okay? Everywhere on your face. Remember, I have makeup, all right? Beautiful. You put it everywhere on your face. Everywhere on your face. Everywhere on your face, all right? This video is not gonna be up to 15 minutes. But I'm just letting you guys see how I do it. All right? You put it on your face. This stuff is so good. So good. Once it dries up, you can see the magic of egg. Your skin will look like it's coming together, okay? A lot of ladies use this stuff. They might not tell you, but they use it. But I'm telling you guys what I use to keep my skin moisturized and beautiful, okay? You leave it for 15 minutes. This video is not gonna run 15 minutes. Otherwise, I would have waited, okay, for 15 minutes and I will go rinse it out, okay? But I'm just telling you, after 15 minutes, you go rinse it out. I also use it on my neck. Same thing, because it's not just the face that ages. As you get older, your neck, they all age too. Put it on your neck, okay? Use a brush. Use whatever you can use. This is my makeup brush. This is my makeup brush, but it's okay. Just put it evenly on your face, everywhere, including your forehead, and wait for 15 minutes. We are not gatekeeping here, all right? Once you wash it out, you have to wait 15 minutes. By 15 minutes, I will not be talking the way I'm talking right now, because it will look like the whole, you know what eggs does, right? My whole face will be so hard to move. It's like having a Botox. It's not a Botox. I've never said that I use Botox. It's not a Botox, but I'm saying, you know how some people, when they do Botox, they can't even smile, okay, for a few days. So that's what egg does to your face, all right? It makes your face unable to move. You can't even move your face. But after 15 minutes, go wash it out. You'll be amazed. Believe me, nature gives us everything. Nature gives us everything. It's just that we don't know how to use it and when to use it. Please love and subscribe on my YouTube, because I'm bringing a lot to you guys. You will love it. Home remedies, cooking, all right, traveling, everything that helps us become the best mirror image of ourselves. I always use mirror image because that's the best replica of yourself that you can be, that you can present to the world. All right, love you all. Bye-bye.